the Baron Vijay Mallya, the bad times continue as a year of long legal battles for the UB Group comes to a close. It all started in April when 10 unsecured creditors filed a winding up petition against UBHL and Kingfisher Airlines for non-payment of dues to the tune of 400 crore rupees. They alleged that Mallya had no concrete plan in place to clear their dues. According to these petitions, Mallya had to pay BNP Paribas 146 crore rupees, Wells Fargo Bank 15.5 crore rupees, Avians De Transport Regional or ATR 92 crore rupees, and the two companies of Rolls-Royce Partners Finance 58 crore rupees and 3 crore rupees each.
The timing couldn't have been worse for Vijay Mallya as he was getting ready to ink a deal with Diageo, under which he was planning to sell 13 million of UBHL's over 20.5 million shares in USL to the London-based liquor giant.
While the secured creditors including Edelweiss Capital, HDFC, ICICI and Sycom had given the stake sale a go-ahead, the petition by unsecured creditors made it mandatory for Mallya to secure the Karnataka High Court's nod as well. So Mallya had no option but to clear all legal hurdles before completing the deal, which he did on May 24th when the High Court gave in and allowed the deal to go through, albeit under certain conditions.
The Karnataka High Court asked UBHL to deposit 250 crore rupees as security to the petitioners, and it further restrained UBHL from selling or pledging any of its movable or immovable properties until further notice from the court. And with that, the USL Diageo deal went through. But even this was not going to be the start of good times for Vijay Mallya.
On July 13th, a consortium of 14 banks led by SBI and Punjab National Bank, who had collectively lent around 6,200 crore rupees to Kingfisher Airlines, moved the Karnataka High Court against the disbursement of the proceeds from the USL stake sale. Meanwhile, the employees of KFA also filed an application to recover their salary dues. But the real shock to Mallya came when the High Court admitted the winding up petition against UBHL by BNP Paribas. Paribas was one of the unsecured creditors who had filed petitions in the High Court seeking winding up of the holding company as it had failed to clear their dues. In the month that followed, the High Court admitted the petitions of ATR, IAE and Aerotron also. UBHL appealed against all of these. But the final blow came on December 20th when the court declared its May 24th order that allowed the Diageo deal as void, thereby upholding the rights of these unsecured creditors.
So the battle is far from over for Mallya as his legal troubles seem likely to spill over to 2014 as well, with the UB Group getting ready to challenge the Karnataka High Court's verdict in the Supreme Court. And he also might lose possession of his iconic Goa villa as he did of his Mumbai headquarters, the Kingfisher House, just a month back. In Bangalore, Vinitha Atre.